So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-transfer ng VDO credit card points sa ating VDO reward card. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, dapat meron kayong account sa BDO Online. And kapag meron na kayong account guys sa BDO Online, kailangan meron din kayong account sa BDO Pay or kailangan nyo ding mag-download and install ng BDO Pay app nila dito sa Google Play Store. So kung ano naman guys yung account niyo sa BDO Online, ganun din yung ilalagay ninyong account dito sa BDO Pay. So parehas lang sila. So kapag meron na kayo guys BDO Pay and gusto niyo ma-transfer yung points ninyo na nasa credit card papunta sa inyong reward card, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is i-open nyo yung inyong BDO Pay and then i-log in nyo yung inyong account. So ayan guys, pagka-open ng inyong BDO Pay, pumunta kayo dun sa inyong credit card details. So tap nyo lang yung inyong credit card. And dito guys, lalabas kung ilan yung credit card points ninyo. So ito yung available na pwede nating i-transfer sa ating reward card. So para ma-transfer guys, itap nyo lang yung transfer peso points. So i-zoom in lang natin. And dito guys, kung makikita nyo, meron kayong tatlong pamimilian. So BDO reward card, BDO credit card, cash credit, and then SMAC or Prestige card. So, since nga magta-transfer tayo ng points galing sa credit card papunta sa BDO reward cards, so ito yung pipili natin, 2 BDO reward cards. So, dito guys, is pipilapan lang natin yung mga details. So, transfer to BDO reward card number, so yung 16 digit ng ating reward card number, first name, last name, points kung magkano yung transfer, and then, first 6 digits ng inyong credit card, and then last 4 digit ng inyong credit card. So, first name and last name naman ng inyong credit card. So, ayan guys, pilipan na natin. So, lagay lang natin dito yung 16 digit ng ating reward card number. So, after nyo malagay yung reward card number, so lagay nyo naman yung first name ng inyong reward card number. And then, last name. So, dito tayo magsisend ng points sa BDO reward card from BDO credit card. So, dito naman guys, ang ilalagay nyo is kung ilan or magkano yung ita-transfer ninyo na points. So, ita-transfer ko is 20 points. So, dito naman guys is transfer from. So, kung saang credit card number siya manggagaling. So, lagay nyo lang dito yung first 6 digit ng inyong credit card. And then, last 4 digit ng ating credit card number. So, ayan guys, dito naman is first name and last name din ng credit card. And then, after nyo guys mapilapan yung mga information, itap nyo lang dito sa baba yung I'm not a robot. So, lagyan nyo lang ng check, yung checkbox, katulad nito. And then, tap nyo na guys yung transfer points. And then, dito naman is itap nyo lang guys sa terms and conditions, yung checkbox, and then tap next. And dito naman guys, ito yung pinakang transaction or confirmation receipt natin. So, nakalagay dito guys yung details na ita-transfer natin na points. So, nakalagay is 20 points yung matatransfer. And take note nga pala guys, makikredit yung points sa ating BDO reward cards within 7 to 10 working days or banking days. So, hindi agad-agad siya guys makikredit and hindi nyo agad makikita sa inyong reward card. Kasi nga, ipaprocess pa lang siya sa ating account. So, 7 to 10 days yung iintayin natin. And may magno-notif naman sa inyo guys, magsasend sila ng text message once na na-credit na yung points na transfer ninyo galing sa credit card papunta sa inyong BDO reward card. So, para ma-confirm guys, itap nyo lang yung confirm para ma-process na yung ating pagta-transfer ng points to our BDO reward card. And ayan guys, nakaprocess na yung ating pagta-transfer and mag-intay na lang tayo guys ng text message para malaman natin kung credited na sa ating account. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.